Minianum Ghana for Masamba Munchambian. The first no, my first video be by about Pokuase Interchange. Made this suggestion be by Sebaya and commentary type of waiter car bit me a faso ma enipa bi show comments church comments it be a I'm happy so I did that kind of video by even though no medical can say I don't live on making videos. Then no me Ghana ni inti me gidi say bibia betimi akyere madwene na matchere solution bit mama yen Ghana fo nyina ho atọ no enti na me ye ne se say obi agitum se Pokuase Interchange na ba be tourist attraction center se se ya obi eni je ho se na enka menya enke branka omo planning about the Pokuase Interchange, you know, ye be sikurano. Na yese enka Ministry of Tourism eka engineers no ho na omo ye preparation but ankobasa na nso no enka ehre. The reason why I me did sa ideas we ban say Pokuase Interchange at the moment no is the second biggest interchange in Africa. South Africa the di kan we na be second one. But me gidi say e betimi de adwene bi aka ho a e betimi aboa ama interchange na ye de no so abeye unique na abe different from South Africa de no. Na adwene na me de ba na enie. Me gidi say Ghana is not just about critics, it's not about criticism, it's not about say who criticize it just for criticizing sake. It's not like that. The old did say I dream be old trim now with him at the aboa Ghana, but my Ghana fool in a home for so Nina so no ehia. E be and I make train and won't see any ebia no bin tiase na asma make a cry na unim hunim de and so no on tie ni na on hesa some na make can if that makes sense or not. Enti idea no in Pokuase Interchange ni na jitum say abe superb at the moment na be superb. Accra there's no any attraction center bia metima ka say be twa Pokuase for now. Tinka me suggest say ebe ya enka Yemfa Ministry for Tourism for the informal road ministry for normal tenase, normal planet. Now we use that area no as a fireworks area for a specific occasion. For instance, Yemfa say ye be run New Year more na enka oma create fireworks around the interchange. You create fireworks. Just say ye had a mohon kama ubia womoye specialist MSRD no na yenye fanya yearly activity na yemfa say we one example say ABI be rat 2022 more then the fireworks no aye adwuma oho na ama Ghana fo nyina dodo na ani age ama fo kra betimi akọ no makohwe me suggest say be kra na omon trying creative park ebi o interchange in chain na park na de ombe ni anie and so mo ye creative park a grass and sunshine because the Ghana our water kekenipa ebi an ointment treat ni na manfo ko na wa ka obi e the problem beba into on creative parks on be creative on the bibi to say pavement so be ye creating nice park into that and can find say ye be fireworks no so even international artists star and musician a top star because a Ghana be boka kra na yakofana now a bar now a baby Saturday and no ye be fireworks then a pop star or international star and I say Ghana the entire mean Ghana star and say Ghana stars they are always affiliated themselves with the political parties and I don't want that. This is why I'm suggesting to get an international pop star. Or no, he or she does not belong to any political party. And it's a basana Mfaso a Ghana for ebetumi anya no ebini one ebetumi ne nkrofo bebre abankran ebetumi ne nkrofo free outside, even Ghanaians within other regions they can bring them into Accra. Hotels ebetumi ayema